Looking for a way to level up your cash? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal a secret method that will help you earn more rewards and evolve your cash faster than ever before. Say goodbye to slow progress and hello to an unstoppable cash flow. Get ready to tap your way to success and unlock the ultimate rewards that will take your financial journey to new heights. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch and start tapping now. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I highly recommend that you take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of insightful videos that are packed with novel and groundbreaking methods to help you achieve financial success in the online world. Our videos are carefully crafted to provide valuable information and actionable tips that can be applied right away. By joining our community, you'll never miss out on any of these valuable resources. So go ahead, subscribe and turn on notifications, and let's embark on this exciting journey together towards financial success. Now, let's get started. Unlock a world of rewards with just a tap. Start your journey in Money Spinner app. Discover the power of tapping and unlock a world of endless rewards. Take your cash to the next level as you embark on an exciting journey of evolution. With every tap, you earn more rewards and watch your funds grow exponentially. Tap to earn more rewards to evolve your cash garden tree. Complete daily tasks, earn rewards, and remember to hire gardeners and buy equipment that will help you achieve financial success. With user-friendly interface makes tapping a breeze. Simply tap on the screen and watch as your rewards multiply. With each tap, you'll feel the excitement building as you inch closer to your financial aspirations. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to evolve your cash and earn more rewards. Download Money Spinner app today and start tapping your way to a brighter financial future. Remember, every tap brings you one step closer to the life of abundance you deserve. At the conclusion of this remarkable video, if you have found it to be both enjoyable and informative, I kindly request that you express your appreciation by granting it a resounding thumbs up. Additionally, I encourage you to engage in the comments section below with your thoughts and opinions, as your input is highly valued. It would be immensely gratifying if you could also share this video with others who may find it valuable. Your support plays a pivotal role in our continued efforts to create more enriching content like this. Lastly, do not overlook the importance of subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell so that you never miss out on future videos of similar caliber.